Hey guys, do you play Real Racing 3? Well, today I'm going to show you guys how to get a modded version onto your device with unlimited money, guys. So this is super cool and it actually works using the promo code. So what you want to do is go to this site, zestcoupons.com, and you're going to see it says Real Racing 3 promo codes. So just press get code and wait for it to load, and you can see it says show coupon code. Press on that, and then once it loads, guys, just go ahead and press where it says get full code, and now it's going to ask you for your email address, which I already put in, and obviously this is so they can send you the promo code. So let's just wait for this to load. You can see it says reward activated. All right, so email confirmed because I already entered it, and then you just need to go ahead and fill out some information about yourself, which is obviously very easy to do. And then you will be rich in the game, guys. So it's super cool and it actually works. So as you can see, you just gotta fill this out. It's not that hard or anything. I don't really know why they want your address because they don't send you anything physical. At least I didn't receive anything physical. I received the promo code just to my email. But let me just show you guys on the App Store how expensive this game is. I can't really type, so I guess it's not coming up. But let me just try it out. So as you can see, we go to the in-app purchases and you can see it is super expensive. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe if you want to pay for stuff that is your business. But personally, I'm more of a rich person type business. So as you can see, I got tons of money. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. It's super cool and fully works. So if this video works, you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. You can easily get the promo codes on that site. So this is super awesome. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This fully works, guys. You don't have to jailbreak your device or anything like that, which is great.